Unong mikmat jong karanikor konstituensi ubah Pius Marweiñ hadian ke jingyo ia kemang pisah naka sorkar lang bakatanat pule puti kabalong shibenta ban penbha ya ki skul jong ke sorkar hakasi sejan jong ke tayo ka khasautrik ukulalengkor araja arfulai ulio ban play pajba ia ki artli ki skul kibeladep ban china penbha ki artli ki skul sorkar baladep ban china penbha haka jingmang ka bamar life nyo lak tengka ka wei ka dei ka largowa government LP school but kalowa Kolta para Government LP School. Ia kini ke jing play la sakhilang dauba DG Nongse Subdivisional Education Officer jongka Southwest Khasil District but kumjo ru ki ba jongki te ki shnong.
Ia bai dai bakani ka jing school. Ka bagi dan suya play mata koi hakreng kini ka dai live pu nyau lak tam. De katum ka among ngai ba khampa me kani ka lower ko kapra Government LP School. I play ke pang yo kota toru bawa tribha terus ini ke building kalane junom mo apa let's say the one slab one upheru bagi masuk let's say penjat front marba pula tray ya klika to hakani ke sngi ya dalam bertiba di Genosit STSU joka Southwest Khasil District di saya beli ya klika di school joka luar kota para Government LP School. Kita tak prinsip apa segmen hak Mawphor kita dekat lah begini. Dulu pak jauh shnong, kita pak shnong sekitar shnong, kita pak jauh shnong dekat bagi la school jauh mereka shnong. Hak mereka seni, bah bio bala lino yang mereka di school apa away ketika apa largau Government LP School, but mantas tang yo priyak nika lower ko para Government LP School di kuma pitip ba hakipor kiba menchua oi jingdon ketika Government School ndai apa pipet ya ka building along ba kena school begino kai kimla dan high school apa Government School malba kayin school along no kepala jot aprah di ngai ku play kerpang na tahu division minister salak menoboy balas ngap ya kaji kebat jungi ya kaji kut jungi bana kare jungi ila ya kenika in school apa kenika lanikor blok apa konsumsi hi berokoi bergendap tak mesti persudi segmen bana kare jungi ila ship khasha ba yai berka government school hi berokoi pada kini segi pala fat yang katendar ke basikul papulak penyo yang ka kidon di balik yang ka major but minor repairing apa blok naniko dengan skamba undang ila ada kot yang kena katendar di dalam kontraktor pusat trainer di bala yo yang ka modal dengan skamba apa ka konsumsi hi ba ka blok naniko hi ba akri kiski kipor kiban sawan bangi khmi nanti Baumdon shoot away ka government school ka government LP UP school kaban iba kin jot kin rabat ki kimi ki paru kimla shoot pen keno ki por shnong ru ba ka government school kamdon new school kamdon ye ki la sim kya ba abide ba ka government school hi la sim kya ba la persan ba ngi tamba ba ki pering ben ay ki building ki ba mai ko bangi yaw fli dang shen ta Baya day bat kenika sorkar kaslowan ay ekaji kublay namal bakala sim khasisha abaya day bat ya education department abaya day bat skul joki sorkar ba nado por bastangi pada kenika sorkar kepala sim khya ban repair da baro ki school antang ki school ndrei baro ki government school ki day bendon ki no hikai ki ba kini kairu ki haban pas ya ka exam jo ka entet de hak le kapor akatu ya ki kimi ki pa ki por shnong ba ya menta nimla shu berkeno ba nimpa shakipo government school jingdon ki school le jingdon ki ni ka kumbok di dalam jok pat ila ay ka school ka paka rengkat berkino hikai dengan scam ba kanang na shikmat ba ki kimi ki pa ba kin mungkin ya trailang bikin pak ya ki school le se kidon ki pak bimla ban kotbor ban pak se ki school private le na ya se school pa jingai re hapo ka shnong ka joki hi kala don ka school sokar ka ba kai kidon kinoi kai yang skul dekat perkecingirap di Mawphor apo government LP but UP school. Dengar ketua kena kapor baik kiba kiba shnong mana kena sarkar hi kalai ya kai skul ka babha kadai kamte ka chok sarkar kadai ka kanong keti ka chok ki nga ketua inya sumar bha umdai bangin ya penpai dan tho kinoi kijing tho amar kane kadai kalawai na kapaki khon ki ting chok
young minds and young soul of this village. Without this building, the children will suffer a lot. But now, since the completion of this building construction, now you can use it from the very beginning of the academic session in 2023. So I appreciate for the contractors who undertake this execution of the work, and then the local headmen, because without the cooperation of the village elder also, everything will not be possible. And then the teachers, the school managing committee, and all the members of this village, of this community, and especially to the Honorable MLA who have taken every pains, and he have to work round the clock, as to say, in 24 hours to keep you and to inspire you more and more, so that every issues, every aims, every proposal you want, he will be made. He will materialize the same in the future or in the few days to come. So that is why this school building also have been inaugurated today through the efforts and the cooperation of all the village, and then the department, of course, education department, and then the MLA, and all of us who have been part and parcel of this building construction.